Hey guys, welcome back to the Ocean Guys channel. Today I'll be reviewing the OrcaTorch ZD710 MK2, which was kindly provided by OrcaTorch. We're Ocean Guys, and we create videos on night diving and spearfishing. Having done many night dives and tried out numerous dive lights, I found that this one comes with some really useful features. First, let's start with the unboxing. It comes with a dedicated carrying case, and when you open it, you'll find the dive light itself along with 2 batteries. Since the light only requires 1 battery to operate, the second one can be used as a spare. There's also a user manual, a wrist strap, extra O-rings, and a charger. The charger uses a USB-C connection, which is really convenient. Using the light is really simple. Just twist open the back of the light, place the battery inside, and close it back up. The battery is an OrcaTorch 5,000 milliampere-hour cell, and you insert it with the positive end facing inward. After that, attach the wrist strap, slip it onto your wrist, and tighten it for a secure fit. There are also other strap options available, including one that lets you mount the light on the back of your hand, which can be purchased separately. One of the most useful features of this light is the zoom function. By twisting the head of the light, you can easily zoom in and out to adjust the beam angle. When we go night diving as a group of 4, I usually shine my light to help the diver who's underwater. I found that zooming out to cover a wider area works really well. If the beam from above is too strong, it can actually create glare and make it hard to see, so the wide beam makes everything much easier to spot. When I'm reaching into tight spaces between rocks to catch lobsters, I like to zoom in to focus the light right where I need it. And if it's tricky to twist the zoom ring with both hands, I discovered that pressing and holding the power button for about 5 seconds turns on turbo mode. It brightens the light instantly, and as soon as you let go, it switches off, which is great for saving battery. This light goes up to 2,700 lumens with 4 brightness levels. Most of the time I keep it on level 2, like you see here. On the lowest setting, it can run for about 9.5 hours, which is really useful on longer dives. It's also IP68 waterproof, which basically means no dust can get in, and it's fine underwater for long periods. This one has even been tested down to 150 meters, or around 492 feet. Now, I usually do free diving, so I'll never be going that deep, but it's reassuring to know the light can handle that kind of pressure. It tells me the build quality is solid. So here's my dive light collection. I have a bunch of lights with all different prices and specs. I've got 2 Leica X4200s, 4 Argon Tech 1600s, 1 big blue VTL 8000, a flickering safety lantern, and even 2 cheap lights I picked up from Temu for under $20. But honestly, I wouldn't recommend these Temu ones at all. Taking them on a night dive could actually put your life at risk. The battery life and brightness are terrible, and they overheat way too easily. There's always a reason they're that cheap. Altogether, I've probably spent over $600 just on dive lights. The Leica X4200 has 4200 lumens, but it's smaller than my other lights, so I usually wear it on my waist as a spare. The Argon Tech 1600 is 1E500 lumens, and as you can see, it's quite thick, so I usually use it with a hand strap on the back of my hand. It's a bit uncomfortable to hold for a long time. The big blue VTL 8000 is the most expensive light I own, and with its insane 8000 lumens, it's definitely a top-of-the-line model. Actually, even the OrcaTorch brand has some higher-end models that can compete with it. Now, having tried all these different lights, if you ask me whether I would recommend the OrcaTorch ZD710 MK2, my answer would be yes. For a free diver like me, who usually only goes down to around 30 meters, the 2,700 lumens brightness is more than enough. But what really makes it stand out is that it's zoomable, which none of my other lights have. It's really convenient and makes a big difference underwater. This was shot in a deep pool during the day. Normally lights spread out in bright surroundings, but zooming in focuses the beam exactly where you need it. Now I'm going to show you some footage of me testing this light while night spearfishing.
I'm comatose in a hotel bathroom. Can't lose the wolf on the night of a full moon. I left a card on the nightstand for you. Running late, I'm a ticking time bomb. Radio plays only static, no songs. I turn right, then it all went so wrong. Walking on fire in the waves of desire, but it's only giving me the blues. High on a wire with the eyes of the choir, quite prepared to sing the darkest news. I made a mess that nobody needed. All of my cash and my love depleted. I shouldn't be here, but my heart keeps beating. And still the earth keeps spinning on its axis. Keep waking up and I call it practice. Digging deep, but I don't know where the truth is. Where do you hide it? Walking on fire in the waves of desire, but it's only giving me the blues. High on a wire with the eyes of the choir, quite prepared to sing the darkest news. Place your bets on me, and I'll keep you waiting. Walking on fire, just a man on a wire who keeps searching for the greatest view. So turn up the heat, I can still feel my feet, and I'm walking straight toward you, straight toward you. Go solo, you they make me
Make sure to subscribe to Ocean Guys and stay tuned for more spearfishing adventures.